Hi, I'm Jake, and on today's rig rundown we're looking at the Sherwood 14-inch plus bandsaw. So this is a popular item around the workshop, and a couple of quick key features of this bandsaw at least. 14-inch cast iron wheels, 305mm cutting height, and a 340mm cutting capacity. Okay, so some of the features are the 14-inch cast iron wheels. As you see, it has a quick release tension lever at the back for easy blade change. It also has the 340mm cutting height capacity. Moving down towards the blade, so blade capacity on this model is between 6 to 19mm, or 1/4 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch in freedom units. It has stainless steel bearings instead of the ceramic ones. It has a aluminium fence with a quick release or micro adjustment addition. So as a 45-degree tilting table, it requires both hands for operation. And it comes with 2 standard miter guide slots. It also has a quick change blade release as well. Downstairs, it's got 2 4-inch dust ports. As for the motor, it's a 1500 watts, so 2 horsepower. And one of the key features of this for all you weekend warriors out there, it's only 10 amps, so you don't need to worry about getting a sparky out to check your wiring. So who is this bandsaw mostly designed for, I hear you ask? Well, if you're thinking about putting railroad sleepers, especially red gum through it, it's not for you. It's more of a lightweight frame. The best kind of maker to get anything out of this bandsaw would be, luthiers, guitar makers, anyone trying to rip larger pieces of softer timber. That's mainly what it's designed for. It also has the utility of quite a wide throat, so that's even better for all your curve cutting. And that's it for another rig rundown. So please, if you need any more information, hit the links below. Like, share and subscribe to the page to help us grow, and we'll see you in the next video.